Welcome back.
It's too early, right?
So early. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I got here like 14 minutes ago.
What do we got there?
We're gonna go get
some cashola. We won't mention the price.
No.
Seems like a good deal.
We're gonna go get a clone.
One of these guys right here.
It's gonna be a good time.
All right, well, Alex is gonna video.
It's a 3 hour and 58-minute drive, 4 hours. I'm gonna try doing it less. We'll make it in 3 hours.
Hammer down.
We'll see. We'll keep you updated on the time. It says 9:30, so we'll see.
You guys go get that. I'm gonna head and go get a frame. I'm gonna fast forward to them. Whatever video Alex gets.
Are you recording right now? Yeah, we're about to go in another big ass store.
It's 5:03. The sun should still be shining on us, and that ain't the sun. God damn, this is one way to start our road trip. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing. Lovely. Well, this is the old girl in the light. Couldn't really film too much at the guy's house. He had his daughter in the garage with us, and we didn't want to get her on camera. But this thing's pretty sweet. He gave us like 4 boxes of parts, a whole extra engine, gas cans, a helmet. He said the thing isn't getting any spark right now, but we'll figure that out. And that's a pretty clean bike. Can't wait to start working on it. Got this thing, heading back to Tucson. Talk about to pull over.
I'm gonna take a pee in the parking lot, so hopefully that's okay.
Get to stop and get a water at the back of the truck.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah, gotta stay hydrated. Get home in like 4 hours. It'll be like 1 a.m. Good time. Well, guys, 12:30 in the morning. We got an ATC250 or 250. Bill got a toy. It's hidden over there in the corner. I think he already put that video out. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get some sleep.
So these guys went to New Mexico last night and got a pretty sweet, awesome deal, marketplace find on an ATC250R. So this is gonna be a shop build. We're gonna showcase all the parts we make on it. And this is different than the other one you saw. This is the one we picked up. This is the one you saw in the video the other day, but let's get into it. Well, you know, stock link swing arm, stock valving, that's definitely gonna help. Yeah, man, not bad. 1985 with the 86 headlight, OEM. It's funny seeing some OEM parts actually left out there. I mean, this guy went crazy with stickers, but that's all right. We're gonna clean this thing up and make it look pretty much brand new again. Yeah, so pretty cool. It came with another bottom end because this is how it was in the ad. So this has all been broke off and rewelded. I believe there's a chunk. Yeah. I don't know if I can get it on video or not. Hey, you guys can see that. Yeah, pretty pumped. I had no idea it was coming with another bottom end and top end. So this is honestly worth the drive for sure. I mean, shit, any 250R is worth the drive. Got the old Trail Wolf tire. I believe that's what that is. Yep. 23/11. Awesome, man. Excited to get this thing completely torn down and rebuilt. We're gonna put invert kit, our swing arm, billet seat latch. We're gonna do a full build on the motor, get that thing all freshened up. We're finally gonna get to doing some 250R foot pegs. Of course, you guys have seen all the pegs we already make in our other videos, but it's about time we make those for this. Awesome. That's really not bad. I have seen and dealt with a lot worse than this. If you guys want some OEM parts off this, I'm probably gonna be selling like the rims and tires, possibly axle, swing arm, maybe the rear brakes, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna be upgrading this thing to basically brand new. Yeah, hit us up if you guys need like axle hubs, swing arm, sprocket hub, brake disc, rear caliper assembly, let me know. Yeah, so let's take a look at these parts. I haven't seen the rest of them yet. So what do we got in there, Alex?
We have a motor from Damaged Goods.
Bottom end.
Yeah, but happy riding.
You gonna do your welcome back?
Welcome back.
It's too early, right?
So early.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I got here like 14 minutes ago.
Well, you guys were here at what, 1:30 in the morning?
I couldn't go to bed till like 3.
I think I fell asleep around 3 last night.
And you're back here at 8:30?
Yep.
Cool.
My eyeballs are like burning. Oh, so it's a slower?
Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, so I want to see the front of the case here, see if it's newer or not. Cut right here.
Just open it up, bro. You're like a little toddler at Christmas.
Yeah, it's the older style.
Tape. Oh.
Oh.
No, that's normal. They're
That's
like that.
normal? Okay.
No, they're cut. They're actually cut wider on the newer ones. I was curious if it was going to be like a 87 and up. Well, the important stuff that really matters is the case saver mounts. Those are good. Awesome.
They're all good in here.
Yeah, no, this, dude, you don't understand what this is worth. I mean, that was worth just the trip alone as this bottom end, honestly.
Yeah, we got a top end too.
Yeah, we got a minty top end. Yeah, guys, so we're just going through this freaking mess right here, but came with a lot of awesome parts. Front master guard, that's cool. Let's lay everything out, I guess.
Got the key straight.
Got the noisy ass mills going. Gonna love that. Brand new rear sprocket. I feel like this guy gave me every bit and bob that he owned.
All the bits and bobs.
All the bits and bobs. I'm gonna zoom out here.
Extra rusty chain.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this thing.
Look at that.
Hell yeah. What do we got? A little laser cut on there? Oh man, I always love some good Supreme copper. That is my favorite. No, I'm actually like thankful that he gave us all the spare parts because I'm so pumped about this bottom end. So pumped. Super clean cases. Awesome. Skid plates. We got the engine skid. Got the rear swing arm skid plate. Thing is actually very clean. I can't believe how clean this thing is. Oh man, ratio right. Somebody was marking their mixes out.
That's a spray paint?
Yep, that's the one that's on the silencer. In case you want a color match. Well, that's pretty much it for the spare parts. We got a helmet. Gave that to the wife. Anything else in here? That's pretty much it, right? Oh, we got some radiators. Replacement radiators. I did see the hoses earlier. Sweet. All right, guys, so you can see we got a pile of parts. I'm super excited that this thing came with another bottom end and top end. I did not expect that, so I feel like this thing was a good purchase at the end of the day. And yeah, we're gonna make this thing up to 2022 standards. So other than us making a custom chassis eventually for these, we're gonna start by invert front end, swing arm, all the billet accessories for this thing that we make. I'm gonna put modern suspension on this thing so it handles more like these modern ones right here. And we're gonna do some mods to the engine and we're gonna do a full comparison. And this is one that we own, so it's something that we're gonna be able to take out and torture test. I didn't want to ask them to take that after it was fully built. I was like, you know what? I don't feel right about that. I like to let our customers hammer down on their bikes after we build them and experience it themselves the first time. So this one here though, this is gonna be for us to just hammer down on and have a blast on. So oh, there's Alex back there. So we're actually getting all the pallets from the bottom up on the top of the rack, and all these projects need to get shoved to the side. So see what Alex is doing here.
Whoa.
Dude, you gonna operate or you wanna hop on that?
I'll hop on this time.
Okay, cool. All right, guys, I will, I guess, see you later today in another video. We're getting that KTM finished up, so stay tuned for that. There it is right there.